I was planning to do nothing today, but then something happened. I received nothing. I received my Nothing Ear One truly wireless in-ear earphones. That's a mouthful. So I was left with no option but to unbox this so that I can start using it early. So let's get started with unboxing. Nothing. Let's get on with the unboxing of Nothing Ear One truly wireless earphones. Disclaimer: this is fully paid from my pocket and it's not a promotional videos. So you're going to hear all the genuine feedbacks from my side after I have used it for some time. So let's get started with the unboxing. I think there is an easier open here. Let me start with that. Yep. Then just peel it off. Yep, this looks very premium for the price. Let's peel the outer layer and see how it looks on the inside. Yep, you have a red dot here, which looks like the place where we can. Okay. Looks like this is really good. This looks very premium. And one more box. This is nice. And one more box to unwrap. Wow, this looks very nice. At least for the price that we are paying, it's no cheap shit and gives that nice premium experience while unwrapping, and I am already impressed. Let's remove Nothing from the box and see what all accessories are provided along with it. I'm expecting charger. This looks nice. It's heavy, a little heavy. And what do we have? Ooh, I think these are the silicone cups. Yep, the additional ones. If the one provided is not fitting you, then maybe you can use any of this. It looks like a smaller and the larger ones. So medium is what is provided, maybe along with ear one. So this is what you have. And let's see what all. Should be a charger now. Minimal packaging. This is very impressive. So nothing too much in terms of packaging. They just have provided minimal. It's nothing packaging. I would call it nothing in terms of packaging. Yeah, this is the USB Type-C charger. The other side is USB 3.1 maybe. So that's a charger which has a little transparency like nothing. Overall concept is around transparency. Nothingness around it. So even the charger has that nothingness. Pretty impressed. So I think a little small bit of manual that also looks very neat. This is very nice, very minimal, to the point, not too much. Maybe I'll read it through later, but it shows how to control, how to adjust, how to charge, how to nothing. Let's now see how the earphone feels and looks like outside the box. I need to unwrap this bit. That's done. You can see a green light, that means, and it turns white. I don't know how and why. Maybe. Yep. Nice sound while closing. The thud kind of a sound which feels. But you know what? This looks like solid glass, but then actually it's plastic. So I'm hoping you're gonna see some kind of discoloration and wear and tear in no time. Otherwise, no complaints yet. So let's open this beauty and let's have a closer look. There is a red dot. That's maybe because predominantly the world is filled with too many right-handers, so red dot for your right ear maybe. Yeah. So all you left-handers over there, you will have to consider this white dot as your strong side when it comes to nothing ear. So this is how it looks outside the box. It has a more of a look and feel of how a Apple AirPod looks like, but then they have their own stamp over it, like a nothing stamp. That transparency around the earlobes, that's a little unique in terms of how it is for nothing. That's how it is. Now maybe let's look into the specifications a little before we wind up this unboxing. Now let's go through the product specifications which Nothing Ear has provided, and then let's see, maybe after I have used it for some time, I'll be able to provide whether the product specs are matching as per whatever they are claiming. Let's then go through whatever claims already they have given as part of their specs. Let's take one by one. First is transparent design, but the only problem I feel maybe in the long run might be that you can see more scratches. This is pure plastic and it can have discoloration and fading in no time, and then maybe let's see how long it stays. That is one thing about this transparency. Otherwise, when it is new, it looks very nice and fresh, but then in the long run, let's see how it goes. Second is the pure sound precisely tuned. That's what they claim. I don't know, maybe once I start using it for some time, I'll be able to provide some feedback around it. So, but then as far as whatever I have heard about it, this is going to sound very premium, and it has deep bass, and that punchy bass you'll be able to get when you're listening to maybe an EDM or something. If you're a fan of that, then this is for you. That's what I heard, but then not for the audiophiles, I am hoping. So that's one feedback, maybe right up front, but then let me use it for some time and then get your feedback around it. Third is state-of-the-art noise cancellation, and ANC, biggest feature in all of the new headphones or earphones which is available is noise cancellation. So for this price, can it beat something like an AirPod Pro or an AirPod? At least we'll have to see, but then I'll have to use it and see at different surroundings. Maybe I'll go to a restaurant which is crowded, noisy, and let's try it out there. Maybe when I'm in my car, I'll try it. Even I don't know whether I'm going to fly anytime sooner, but then that's not happening. At least some surroundings where I can test it, I'm going to use that and see how it's going to behave in those ANC or the noise cancellation, how it is going to be. Next is Find My Earbud. I think I have heard this is a nice cool feature. If you have left, I know people who just leave their headphones here and there and then they lose it very easily, or at least they misplace it and then start trying to find it. It becomes a little difficult because it's so small. So I think this is a nice feature where I can use Find My Earbud feature where it starts beeping. I guess maybe I'm gonna even give a sound test around it, how maybe when I'm actually reviewing it, I'll give you that sound intensity, how much it is, so that whether it is easily trackable, hearing that sound, that's something as far as they claim, whether it works that way. Then they say it's cloud-like, it's very lightweight. Yes, when this box is pretty heavy, that's good one part. It feels very premium, so that box is very heavy. Otherwise, I would say it's lightweight, yeah, and even feels very nice and comfortable when I'm actually wearing it. So that's not so difficult. I think it's trying to connect somewhere. I can see a boom kind of a sound, but then yeah, I think already I can feel some kind of noise cancellation around me. Customization, they are saying for iOS and Android. So there is an app available which I think I need to download and then use it in my iOS or Android devices, which will help me customize as per. Maybe they are talking about equalizations or even other things, maybe just to have that customization per user, because I might be somebody who likes to have even bassy music. But then if you're an audiophile, you will be able to tweak as per your requirement, whatever is suitable, which is soothing for your ears maybe. So that's maybe what is that? That might be the one customization they are talking about. Sweat and splash resistant. This is very important if you are sweaty, or you work out and you want to use this. I used to work out a lot, but during this lockdown I have reduced it a little. But I prefer taking my earpods at least while working out. It's very convenient if I don't carry my or keep my phone in my hand all the time. This is very convenient, and maybe if I get a call, it should be easier to just take it. And I think it supports multi-device connectivity as well, which is needed. Let's say if you're working on your laptop and connect it, and then you also need to connect to maybe your phone. When you receive a call, you need to easily switch it. So I think it also supports it, hopefully. So these are some specifications I could read through right now. Otherwise, I see that it's truly wireless. Connectivity is Bluetooth, and then the Bluetooth very specific is version 5.2. So I'm hoping the range is going to be, if you are in a big, if you live in a big house and then you need connectivity, because all of the I'm using something called as a Bose Sports or something as an earphone right now. It does not have that kind of a range. If I were in my room, I can easily connect it, but then if I roam around, then I lose network. So that's something I don't like about that. But it's a really nice earphone which I am using right now, the Bose one. But then I think this is more like a cheaper option, where I'm hoping it gives the same kind of feature sets like what a premium earphone is giving. Connectivity, they are saying and battery life, they are claiming 34 hours of battery life and playtime of 34 hours. I need to see how well it works. There might be how long does I need to charge it when it's outside the box, and how much charging can happen when it is inside the box. I need to really review and see how all of that before I can comment or give a feedback. I guess those are some of the features available for my Nothing Ear 1, and I'm happy that I received it a couple of days earlier than the anticipated date. So I'm hoping I'm going to start testing it for a week or two maybe before I can come back and give you a complete feedback around what all features worked as anticipated, or whatever was as per spec, and what did not go well. So I'm going to give a genuine feedback after having used it. So this is pretty much what I have for Nothing Ear 1, and I'm going to start using it right away. So hope to see you in the next episode pretty soon, which is maybe going to be a tutorial on how to create a real-time chat app. It's more an extension to whatever I'm already building on Swift. So that's still I'm working on. It takes a little while to get that done because I'm still migrating it to Xcode 13. I guess there are some compilation errors and everything which I'm trying to sort out right now. So I'm going to come back soon with those episodes. I'll keep you updated around all the things which is happening. Hope you liked this episode of Unboxing Nothing Ear 1. Like, subscribe and share. That will really help in getting more visibility for this channel. That will mean a lot to me, and I'll make sure that I come back with more and more quality content. So that's it from my end. Until the next time, bye from me.